What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are closing out 2025 and coming in hard for 2026. Behind me, we got our JK, and it looks like we're starting to strip it down, and that's because we got a lot of work ahead of us. So I signed up for the Terra Trophy Rally for 2026, and that's a 3-race series on the East Coast. So we're gonna be taking our JK all the way to Tennessee and Kentucky to compete in this rally. But first, we got to get this thing ready. As you can tell, we started ripping into the electrical system. I have on order a dual battery mount, but not for dual batteries. So I needed to run my power steering reservoir on this side of the engine because I feel that it's important to run the factory intake, especially being on the East Coast with the mud and the water. I just really wanted to run the factory air box. It kind of has a snorkel built into it to where it separates any moisture. So we're going to keep that, and then we're going to be mounting all of our power steering stuff back in this location and making a new mount for our switch pros. We're also going to be updating the steering system. We're doing radial dynamic steering pump, their reservoir, their cooler, and then a PSC big bore box. This thing's needed power steering or hydro assist for a long time, and it's the time to do it now. So let me take you over to the bench and I will show you all the parts that we have. All right, I'm gonna go through and talk about some of the parts and the plans that we're gonna do to the JK to get this thing ready to race. Starting with the big bore box, we're updating the entire steering system. So we're doing reed knuckles. We're gonna update the ball joints with some American Iron ball joint deletes. With the American Iron theme, we are continuing with the American Iron tie rod. These are 4130 chromoly tie rod ends, beefy tie rod ends. Super excited to be running that stuff. We're gonna replace some of the suspension brackets that have just been beat and worn out, so that way we're not ripping those off the chassis. We are gonna add a little bit more Baja Designs lighting. We're also going to be doing these Genrite windshield frame protection, and I went ahead and added some light mounts to those. Got to get those powder coated, and then we're going to be doing these Moto built rear corner armor. I got to figure out how I'm going to mount these chase lights. We're going to be switching these lenses over to amber, and then we'll control that with the switch pros so it pulsates. So we got a lot to do on this Jeep and not a lot of time, but we still got about 3 months. So we're getting ahead of it. Another big thing that we got to do is drop this thing down to 37s. We're running the small tire class, so that's 37s and smaller. And we're on 38s. So we're gonna get some Battleborn wheels to complete this set. I only have 4 right now, and I would like to have 6. So we'll get 6 Battleborns, 6 Nitto 37 trail grapplers, and basically just go through and do a full prep. Also, for 2026, we're going to be changing up the look a little bit. So I have a set of aluminum half doors from Moto Built. So we will be running half doors with our convoy cover, so no hard top for this particular race. I think that that's going to be the best for visibility and just kind of lightens up the overall weight of the vehicle. All right, guys, we kept this one pretty short, but we are going to be filming each step of this build, starting out with the steering on the next one, putting the steering box in and all the American Iron components. If you've ever wondered what a JK can do in a race scenario, this is it. This is our stage 3 build out. So basically it's bolt-on suspension, and I just kind of perfect it and get the shocks working good. And we're gonna go and see how we stack up against the competition. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and follow along for what we do with this.